education journey began with his early education at home, where he received instruction from his mother, Doña Teodora Alonso. She played a crucial role in fostering his love for learning and sparked his intellectual curiosity. Under her guidance, Rizal developed a strong foundation in reading, writing, and arithmetic. At the age of 8, Rizal enrolled at Ateneo Municipal de Manila, a prestigious Jesuit school. His time at Ateneo was influenced in shaping his character and laying the groundwork for his future intellectual pursuit. Rizal mentor at Ateneo, notably Father Francisco de Paula Sanchez and Father Jose, which fostered love for and literature, music, and the arts. He excelled in his studies and earned several academic honors. Okay na, Dave.